Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate monday.com OAuth 2.0 tokens step by step clearly. To authenticate monday.com OAuth 2.0 tokens, begin by registering your application on the monday.com developer portal. In your developer account, navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Create New App button. Fill in the required details, including your app name and description. After creating your app, note down your client ID and client secret. Next, set the redirect URL where users will be sent after authorization. Make sure this URL matches the one in your application settings. Now, prepare to request authorization from users. Construct the authorization URL using your client ID and redirect URL. Include the scopes you require for accessing user data. Direct users to visit this URL to grant access. Upon approval, users will be redirected to your specified redirect URL with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the URL query parameters. Now, it's time to exchange the authorization code for an access token. Prepare to make a post request to the monday.com token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, redirect URL, and the authorization code in the request body. Send the request and await a response. If successful, the response will contain an access token and potentially a refresh token. Store this access token securely, as it will be used to authenticate API calls. If your access token expires, use the refresh token to request a new access token. Construct another post request to the token endpoint with your refresh token. Ensure you include your client ID and client secret in this request as well. Upon receiving a new access token, update your stored credentials accordingly. You are now ready to make authenticated requests to the monday.com API using the access token. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.